yang bakal meninggalkan Talk to My Manager kali ini adalah buat pertama kali. Kali ini adalah Nana Mahazan dan Althea.
I just want to say that I'm sorry for getting eliminated like this. I'm sorry for making you disappointed, and I'm glad that I got to experience this with you. I hope you're not too mad at me, and let's just go back to how the way things were. Thank you for supporting me all the way until here. I love you, Mommy.
Nana, Nana nak katakan sesuatu, Nana?
You did not disappoint me. I think you did really good. Althea buat your best every time you bagi commitment. I'm so proud of you. This is not the end. Tak apa, kita boleh balik rumah jahit baju lagi, okay?
Allah, so sweet. Terima kasih Nana, terima kasih